Are you tired of no-shows ruining your day? You're not alone. Many businesses struggle with scheduling issues. Housecall Pro offers the ultimate solution for easy booking and automated reminders. No credit card is needed to get started. Imagine growing your reputation with trusted customer relationships. Keep your clients connected before, during, and after every job. Enjoy simplified scheduling that saves you time and reduces no-shows. Your customers will appreciate the professional appearance of a branded portal. With Housecall Pro, communication becomes effortless. Message your customers anytime, anywhere, with real-time updates. Keep conversations organized and follow up efficiently. Your clients control their experience. They can schedule, pay, and communicate all through a single online portal, 24/7. Automate your outreach with customized reminders and follow-ups. Stay on their minds with timely updates and on-my-way texts. Let customers book their own appointments directly from Google or your website. Personalize your booking page to fit your business needs perfectly. Stand out with features like professional invoices and flexible payment options. Collect and showcase reviews to build your online reputation. Transform your business today. Sign up for Housecall Pro now, and eliminate scheduling headaches for good.